we now next we need to check the location type field over there. So yeah, this field should be available on all the record types, and which is the picklist value. So it's also not available on any record type. So this is the company account. Here we don't have. This is the ultimate account. Here we also don't have the field, and this is the brand account. This is also not available here, and this is the agency account. So you can see the location type is not available. So now next, if we go to the issue description, now we need to check the DB company, and it's already added. So it's working fine. The DB company field is available on all the page layouts. So now we need to check some fields which we are using for the reporting purpose only. So since there are so many fields, but we found only one field is available for the accounts. So we created one report and tested this field. So this is the report which I just tested with the test and created with the testing purpose. For the testing purpose, and I did this field day since account was created. So if we run the report, so we are able to see this field. So it's working fine for this field only. And so now next is these new fields should be available for the account. So if we check for the Fortune 100 accounts, so these fields are also not added on the page layouts. So we are just checking these fields on the in the object record itself. If we go and check the account fields, if we check for it, so we have this field available. If we check this rank, also available global 500 account, it's available global 500 rank, it's also available here. Next, include programmatic, it's also available, and key accounts is also available. So these are fields are available. And now next we need to check is ultimate parent page layout, which is already available. So now if you go to the record type description, the description should be like as the defined in the issue description. So if we go to the accounts, and if we go to the account and if we check the record type description over here, so you can see the description is not matching with the issues description. So there is some mismatch on the in the description as well. So it's not updated in the QA. And if we go to the related list, so we need to check the vendor invoice request related list is not available on all the accounts. So this is the ultimate account. And if we go to and check the vendor, so we don't have any related list for this. If we go for the account brand, so we don't have any related list for this. If we go to the agency, we don't have any field for it as well on it, any related list on it. And so here we also don't have. So this this related list has been removed. So and we don't need to check these. So now if we yeah, so as well as we can check the account history section, column should be date, user and section. So if we go to the account history, account history on the another. Yeah, so as per this we should have some record here. This is for the ultimate. See, so account in this we have date, user and action, and what we need is user, date, user and section. It should be action instead of section, so it's already fine. Okay, now if we search in the smart search, the okay, if we go to the account smart search and if we create a new account, and if we create a new account, so in the smart search page layout, we should have the account owner with the second column on the left. Okay, so yes, yeah. So as the account owner is on the second position from the left, and then phone column as the second column for the right, and the account phone has been added on the right side or shifted to the right side, so it's working also fine. And now if we check the field history tracking, so yeah, so here we are tracking the history for the following fields. So let's go to the account fields and check account number. History tracking is not enabled. For annual revenue, it's also not enabled. Billing address, it's not enabled. Client category field is not available, so we can skip this one. DUNS number enabled. Description is available, okay. Then account name, the history is enabled. Parent account, and for the parent account, history is also not enabled. For phone and rating, for phone we don't have the history tracking, and rating also we don't have the history tracking. And then shipping address type, and also shipping address it's blank, and for the type it's blank, and then for website it's blank. So basically there are some problems. We need to set the history tracking for the following fields. So this is all about this issue. So I'm going to post a charter all about my findings. Thank you.